In this video, I will be showing you how to fix YouTube crash problems in Google Chrome step by step. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome on my desktop. I click on the address bar at the top, type YouTube, and press enter to search. From the Google search results, I click on the main YouTube link to navigate straight to YouTube. Once YouTube loads, I move my cursor up to the top right corner and click on the 3 vertical dots to open the Google Chrome menu. From the drop-down options, I click on Settings to open the Browser Settings tab. Now that I am in Settings, I go to the left sidebar menu and click on Privacy and Security. In the Privacy and Security section, I click on Delete Browsing Data at the top. A pop-up window appears with options to clear data. I make sure the time range is set to all time. I check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files, then I click the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right. After clearing the data, I navigate back to the left sidebar menu. Next, I click on System under the Advanced Settings section. On the System page, I look for the setting labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available. I toggle the switch off to disable hardware acceleration. Once turned off, a relaunch button appears right next to the toggle, so I click Relaunch to restart Google Chrome with these new settings applied. The browser automatically closes and reopens, saving all the changes and effectively fixing the YouTube crash issue. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.